Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and I'm back with another video. And you're probably wondering, is this another OnePlus video? You're darn right it is. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. So once again, this is Julian Barnes with Juleon Tech Reviews. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. But today we're going to talk about the OnePlus 12, and I have a special package here. So the OnePlus 12 has been out this year, and they've only had two colors. That would be the flowy emerald and whatever the black variant is for the OnePlus 12. However, in China, they have their own special version, which is a pearl white version. And I decided to get that and wondered why OnePlus in the United States can come out with this color. But we're going to explore here with a quick unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, let's look at the box. So as you can see, it's pretty much Chinese. I mean, they have the Chinese 12 or Chinese OnePlus 12 here. And as you can see, there's Chinese barcodes. However, that OnePlus / Hasselblad Blad is also present there. And then as you can see, here are the specs. Pretty cool. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what the hype is about. As you can see inside, it has everything you've seen in the traditional OnePlus 12 box, but it's in Chinese. So this is true indeed the Chinese variant. You got your normal never settle. This is what it looks like. And also there's something in here as well, and I'll show you in a minute. Let's go ahead and get to the OnePlus 12, the white pearl variant. And as you can see, they take a great deal of care with their OnePlus. And as you can see, everything is safe, and voila, here it is in all its glory. The beautiful white pearl OnePlus 12. And also what's in the box, and it only comes in the international version, is not a 90-watt charger or 80, but a 100-watt charger. And this variant can charge up to 100 watts wired. That is missing in the United States. But I digress. And it comes with the power cable as well. So these two came with it. And that's pretty much it. Or is it? Let's see what's in this black box. What is this? A case. Why is the United States version without a case? And here's an actual case that comes in the box. I just think this is an overseas deal, but I wonder why we're getting jobbed in the United States with no cases to come with the phone. But I digress. Stickers and a SIM ejector tool comes with it. And this nice rubbery case comes with it. So you have some protection until you get your better case. But how about that? And it feels pretty good. So you're asking yourself, why do I care about getting another OnePlus 12, even though I already have the United States variant? Well, for me, it's simply the color. I really love the color. In my previous videos, and I'll leave it here, I tried to emulate this white variant by getting a dbrand skin, and links in the video up top, but it just didn't feel the same. I mean, it comes with this aluminum bezel right here, and even the camera housing unit right here has that pearl effect. And you really can't see it in the camera as much, but it does have that metallic pearl finish, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then the added bonus, I get a 100-watt charger. So pretty much everything is the same here, except now I get a case and I get a 100-watt charger. And then it still works with all the current US OnePlus products. And as you can see, it works. Now you're probably asking yourself another question. If I get the Chinese variant, what type of software will it have? Well, you can go online, and I have the link in the description. I go into GizTop, and they give you the Chinese variant, and they give you the option to either get Color OS, which is OnePlus's software version in China, or you can get the software that comes with OnePlus, which is Oxygen OS, excuse me, which is Android 14. But I opted to get the Oxygen OS because I wanted to get something that was specific to the United States. But if you're in China, you can get the Color OS, which is the other Android version in China. But as you can see, I mean, it has the pretty much same battery capacity. You can see it's in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and all of the information is there. And you ask yourself another question: will Android Auto work? Now, I'm one of those people that I have to have Android Auto on my phone, or it's pretty much useless. I had that issue with all the Vivo phones. I got the Vivo X Fold 2 a year ago, and I loved it, and it was great. However, it did not have Android Auto, so it was kind of dull in my car. But rest assured, Android Auto does work in the United States with this phone. And I really love OnePlus for that, because they make the phones flagship and affordable, and it works with everything else. So at least the version I got from GizTop, I can literally plug this in and it works. So rest assured that is the case. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the white pearl version of the OnePlus 12, and you can still get this online. I actually got a little deal from GizTop, and they gave me a coupon, and they discounted this. But you can literally get this anywhere. But I think GizTop, you want to make sure you get the one that has the Oxygen OS software attached to it. And that'll enable you to have all of your functionality as if you're in the United States or globally. You just want to double check and make sure that your carrier does it. I have T-Mobile, and T-Mobile works with OnePlus and all of the variants that I get overseas. Well, thanks again, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't you forget. Peace.